Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Rams bracelet. It just looked like little rams to me, so I decided to name it the Rams bracelet, and I made it in the color of the LA Rams. So let's get started on this tutorial. To start off, you're going to set up your bands in blue, gold, first with one blue, two golds, two blues, two golds, and going straight. This will really make the tutorial a lot easier to follow. So I'm going to first start off with my blue band, and I'm going to put it in a figure 8 up on top, like that. And now I'm going to take two of my gold bands and place it on my pegs. And I'm going to pull up both sides of my blue band. And you should have something that looks like that. Next, I'm going to take one blue band and place it on my pegs. And I'm going to pull up the top gold bands. So that's what you should have. Next, you're going to take another blue band. You're going to place it on top. And this is just for making sure your bands align properly. You just want to make sure that your gold bands are kind of spread apart over there, and that just will make the ram shape a little more prominent. And you're going to pull up both sides of your gold band. And you kind of want your gold band to lie between these two bands. Next, you're going to take both gold bands and then place it on your pegs. And then you're going to pull up your first blue band like this. So the blue band's on both sides. Now you're going to take your gold band and move it to the right side like that. And you're going to pull up one side of the blue band. You're going to pull this gold band to the left. You can do the same thing on the opposite side. So you can take this gold band, put it to the left side, and then pull up your blue band. I'm going to show you what you should have. And you should have something that looks like this. Now I'm going to take one blue band, place it on top, and I'm going to pull up each side of my gold band. So the middle gold band, or it's the top gold band, not the bottom one. So that's what you should have. And I'm going to put my next blue band on like that. And I'm going to pull up my gold bands. And again, you just want to make sure that these two gold bands are kind of spread apart, and then you can pull up your gold band. You just want to make sure your gold band is in between. It'll just look nicer when you do it this way. I'm going to pull up this side. I just want to make sure it's in between. You can, at the end, rearrange it too, but it's always easier to do it while you're making the bracelet. And you can actually go on the other side. I'm just flipping my bracelet around and then just making sure the same thing is happening on the other side. So I just arranged it nicely on both sides. Next, I'm going to take my gold band and place it on top. Place both of them. And you're going to pull up one band. You're going to put the gold band on the right side, and then you're going to pull up the left blue band. Pull this gold band back and do the same thing on the opposite side. Like that. Next, I'm going to take one blue band, place it on top. I'm going to pull up my gold bands on both sides. Next, I'm going to take my blue band, put it on top, and again, this is that same move where you just want to make sure that your gold bands are laying in between the other gold band. You see how that's a little off? So I'm just gonna go through and adjust it. So I went through and adjusted it for both sides there. Now I'm gonna take my gold bands. So whenever you put the gold bands on, you put them both 2 at a time. When you put the blue bands on, you put it 1 at a time. And I pull up both sides like this. And then the gold bands, we pull the left peg to the right peg and then pull up the blue band. And then the gold band on the left side, and we pull up the other blue band. Next, I'm going to take 1 blue band, place it on top, pull up my top gold bands. And then I'm going to take my other blue band, place it on top, and pull up my gold band. And I'm just trying to pull it so that I don't have to rearrange it to kind of get it in the middle, like this one. It actually ended up in the middle of the 2 gold bands. If not, you can just like rearrange it. In the back, I probably didn't, so I have to rearrange that one. So I rearranged it on both sides. And I'm gonna put my gold band. Remember, gold bands, they go together. So I put both of my gold bands on. And then I'll pull the top blue one up. Pull my gold one to the right side. Pull my blue band up. Put my gold band back on the left side. I'm gonna pull that over and then pull that up. And then there you have it. Just gonna get my C-clip and then clip these together. So just pull these over. If I wanna get my C-clip, I'm gonna get a clip and then clip it together and then end the bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and bye now.